An asteroid entering the Earth's atmosphere was seen falling into the sea with the explosion effect that illuminates the sky. The meteorite was named SAR 2667 by experts. A meteorite recently entered Earth's atmosphere and exploded into the sea over the English Channel. The object, also described as a 1-meter-sized meteoroid or small asteroid, was seen over England at night on Monday. The event, also known as the air explosion, has been detected by experts before and was detected early when it was going to fall. This also reveals that an object has been predicted for the 7th time with the last meteorite. The asteroid, which exploded over the English Channel and crashed into the English Channel, was named SAR 2667. The moments when the object exploded into the sea from the sky were recorded moment by some citizens. The images went viral after being shared on social media. The European Space Agency, ESA, which detected early that the asteroid would fall and stated that they have made progress in this regard, stated that it is a sign of rapid progress in global asteroid detection capabilities in its social media account. The agency had also previously estimated that the object is expected to safely crash into the Earth's atmosphere near the French city of Rouen. The International Meteor Organization, a Belgium-based non-profit organization, said the object would have entered about 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles, from the French coast and would have a fireball effect. The Sun asteroid, which was predicted to enter Earth's atmosphere in advance, was spotted in the sky above Ontario, Canada in November last year. Mark Boslow, an American physicist and air blast specialist at Los Alamos National Laboratory, told Wales Online that, while airbursts of this size occur several times a year, they are rarely discovered beforehand. He also added that this is the first time in history that this has occurred in a populated area where there is sufficient alert to receive data.